What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 7th of October. We're going to look here this morning at Aerodrome Finance, the cryptocurrency markets, ticker symbol AERO USD. This will be the Aerodrome Finance slash the United States dollar pair. We'll be looking at it daily, and this will be the price data from Coinbase. Well, we have some US stock market futures in the red this morning, pretty good. On the alternative side, there is we have the cryptocurrency markets up in the red here. So we're getting a very nice move higher for Aerodrome this morning. We have Bitcoin up just under 1%, 0.86, $541. Aerodrome is up 2.88%. So hey, good for the Aerodrome bulls. Not so good for the futures traders in the U.S. futures markets. We'll see what happens early in this session here. Well, we're going to do a quick recap here, and then we'll dive into a couple things on my mind here this morning for Aerodrome Finance. So just covering quickly, going back to yesterday, where basically two scenarios we're looking for is we want to see the markets break above our most recent highs. So our most recent highs, we have two of those that we're watching anyways. 27th of September, 129, and then this one right here, which is a 126.9. So the 4th of October as well as the 27th of October. Why are we watching those? Well, we want to see this market continue to the upside, making a higher low, which we have in place. We want to see a higher high. We want to see the trend continue to the upside. So far, we still, it's obviously still an uptrend. But if we fail to break those highs, guys, which are, like I said, basically right in here, if we fail to break those highs, get close, and then roll over, that would be a confirmation of a change in trend to the downside. We'd be printing a lower high and also a lower low, something like this. Now, I don't expect it to play out like that in one day, but the gist of it is you want to see higher lows and higher highs and not lower highs and lower lows. So we're definitely heading in the right direction for the higher high. We'll see if and when it happens. The price levels we have are, so the new price levels we have, they're, from recent videos, 132.35. Let me spread this out here a little bit. So 132.35, 134, 144.69. Those are all new price levels that we're looking for that could be in play right now. So for starters, like I said, you got to start with breaking these highs here from the 4th of October and the 27th of September. Our real resistance right now is between the 128, 129.45. I mean, there is an iron wall here, a ceiling of resistance right here. We got to break above that. So in doing that, one, got to break above the high here of the 4th first, and then two, our all-time high here, or not our most recent all-time high here, the 27th, and that also take you at or hopefully above between 128, 129.45. And then not too much further up is 132.35, 134, and then there is other levels in here that I won't ignore if price gets up here. But the most recent level is 144.69. So we'll see. We'll see if these are in play. So far, they're playing out like that. But again, if we fail to break out into some new recent highs, it's game over, and we're probably going sideways to down for a while. But The 128 level has played a role in the past as marking a major top. You could see it back in here for Aerodrome. The 27th of May marked a major top. We've tried 1, 2, 3. Maybe we'll break out on the 4th attempt, but so far it's acting as resistance 1, 2, 3 times in a row in the past basically 2 weeks. It's an important level. I would pay attention to it if you're trading this, holding this, looking to sell, buy, whatever your case is. The 128, 129 is an important level. And like I said, our new levels above the market: 132, 134, 144, 69. But it can happen quick. It can happen quick, as in if this market fails to break out and rolls over, it can roll over and put in a new lower low very quick. So just be ready for that. If you're positioned in a way that that's not going to benefit you, that's what I would be looking for anyways. So that's pretty much it here for Aerodrome Finance. And again, if the market rolls over for whatever reason, of course we could find support here at 106, 104. And that wouldn't be taking out the lows here. Sometimes the market will do that. You'll put in a lower high, you'll put in a higher low, and then you'll rally and put in a higher high. Really depends. They don't always make it as easy as we would like it to be. So that's that. The current from the 61 breakout zone here to where the price is trading at now would be looks like it's exactly about 100% up from that breakout zone, which took place on the 13th of September, and that's been 24 days. Let's drop over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin rallying nice here. We're getting some resistance at some important levels here. 63.7 to 64.375, guys. Remember these resistance areas right here? Well, they didn't act as support, and now they're getting back tested and pushing price down, like pushing a soccer ball back underwater. You're holding it down, and that's what these levels are doing right here. So we got to break above those. The highest is 64.375. That's that. Hopefully we break out at some point here and start to talk about 68.748. Guys, Aerodrome up 2.52% this morning. Bitcoin up $400, which would be 0.65. Let's see how things go. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. One day at a time. Welcome to the channel, all the new subs. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. All links down below. Of course, not financial advice. I'll catch you guys down in the comments. Have a great Monday.